Hi, I'm Callie, and today I'm going to be your host for the STEM Challenge Yourself video. Today we're going to be making an orange fizzy treat. So what you're going to need is some baking soda and an orange slice or two. So first, you're going to pour the baking soda out onto your plate and smush it down in case there's any little clumps of baking soda. You want it to be really flat. Next, once you have your orange slices, and if you're a little bit younger, you can have a parent help you with this. You're going to lightly dip them into the baking soda. You only need a little bit like this. Then finally, take a bite. Do you feel it fizzing too? So now let's talk about why this works. Oranges are an acid, while baking soda is a base. And so oranges are an acid because they have citric acid in them, like other citrus fruits such as lemons or limes or grapefruits. But so once you mix the acid, the oranges, and the base, the baking soda, it makes a chemical reaction. And that chemical reaction causes all these little bubbles of carbon dioxide to form, and that's why it tastes so fizzy. Carbon dioxide is the same stuff that's inside soda drinks.
Thanks so much for watching, and to see more, check out SFPL on YouTube.